Hey Kelton, what are you eating?
Not eating sugar.
You gonna help mommy? No. Can daddy have some of that sugar?
Oh no. No, Daddy. Don't eat it.
You gonna help mommy finish breakfast?
Kelton, put this bread.
I'll cook it. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mommy.
Watch out.
I want that.
Come on, can you help me put this on the casserole?
No. It's fruit. It's butter.
Put it on the fruit and butter. Oh, don't eat it. Okay. No, 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 no. That's yours now, okay? Come on, that's your piece now.
No. Go on the butter. Go on the butter.
Just extra sugar, mommy.
Yeah, it's gonna bake anyway, I guess.
Sit down.
You'll sit down. Are you done helping?
Mmm. Hey. Oh, need more. Some in there. Right there. Hey, some right there.
Watch out, baby. Okay, hold on. Watch out.
Some right there.
I've gotta cut it, okay? Watch out.
Hey, read the bread.
Okay, I will give you some. Here, eat this.
Okay. It's the guitar.
It's a guitar. Is that a harmonica? Harmonica.
I eat the harmonica gone.
Okay.
Mmm.
Kelton, what are you eating?
Eating sugar.
Look at me. Look at daddy. What are you eating?
Eating sugar. Want some more?
Hold on. Mommy's busy. Ask Daddy if you can have some more.
Want some more?
You want some more what?
Want some more sugar?
I want some more sugar.
Nope.
You gonna help mommy put the bread on there?
Yep.
Better hurry, mommy's gonna beat you. You better go faster.
He's doing wonderful. Uh-oh. You like sourdough bread, Kelton? It's Mommy's favorite.
Yeah. It'd be great. job.
Thank you.
Kelton. Good job.
Good job.